Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to perfect an image with dall-e 3, but just can't quite get it right? You're not alone. Many artists and creators, including myself, have faced this challenge. It's so frustrating feeling so close yet so far from bringing a creative vision to life due to the intricacies of AI art editing. Today, we're turning the page. We'll dive into dall-e 3's latest editing tool, guiding you through 3 hands-on tutorials to transform your art like never before. And that's not all. Stay tuned as we also unveil what we're most excited to see coming in the future from OpenAI, including the revolutionary Stargate project, the game-changing voice engine, the innovative GPT Store, and the mysterious Sora. Whether it's refining a masterpiece or staying ahead with the latest AI innovations, we've got you covered. Now let's dive straight into the world of dall-e 3, where your imagination meets the canvas of possibility. Today, we're transforming simple concepts into captivating visuals. Follow along as we show you the magic of editing with the latest AI art sensation. First up, apples of the future. We begin with a basic prompt, a large red apple on a dining room table. Classic and simple. Let's change it up now. Watch closely as we change this apple's color to green with just a few quick steps. First, click on the generated image to bring up the edit screen. Then, highlight the area of the image where you want to see the change happen. Once you have the area all highlighted, then simply enter the prompt for the change you want to see. And voila! Our red apple is now a green apple in the same image. But why stop there? From fruit to dessert, we transform our green apple into a delectable apple pie, illustrating the versatility of dall-e 3's editing prowess. Pretty cool, right? Imagine as this gets better just as the image creation in dall-e has since its inception. Next on our artistic adventure is something out of this world, a UFO hovering in the clear skies over a cornfield. This base image will set our scene. With a stroke of AI genius, we can add some fluffy white clouds to the clear skies. Now, the defining moment of every close encounter, the beam of light. The blue beam in the original picture lacks the attention-grabbing appeal I need for this image. So let's make it purple, shall we? It's as if dall-e 3 is channeling the extraterrestrial energy itself. I want the UFO to stand out, so let's change the look of the craft with a shape shift. The UFO transforms, and with it, our imaginations of intergalactic possibilities. But something is still missing from this image. I know, let's add a beautiful woman standing in the beam of the craft. So cool, right? It's amazing that from one simple image, we have used dall-e's editing tool to create a full work of art to tell the story. Our final exhibit brings mystique and elegance. We start with an Enchantress in purple, a color symbolic of her magical prowess. Watch as we weave a new tale, changing her attire to blue with just a few key words. The magic isn't just in her, it's at our fingertips with this editing feature. Let's put the AI wardrobe change to the test with one last outfit change, a touch of sparkle gold, because everybody deserves to shine. I will note that the changing of outfits in general seems to still need some work in the system, but I have no doubt in a matter of months, this will be absolutely transformative in consistent characters being created from one image. How cool is that? This isn't just editing, it's storytelling. And there you have it for the new editing tool in dall-e 3. Whether it's playing with the hues of creativity or reshaping the unknown, dall-e 3 opens up a world where your artistic vision knows no bounds. Stick around as we explore the latest OpenAI innovations, including the Stargate project and much more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts on how this editing tool can be beneficial to creators everywhere. Now, let's shift gears to some equally impressive advancements echoing through the corridors of AI development. OpenAI is not just painting with pixels, but also weaving the very fabric of the future of technology. Imagine capturing the essence of voice in mere seconds. OpenAI's new feature in the works, Voice Engine, is turning this into a reality. With the capability to clone a voice from just a 15-second sample, The realms of content creation and personalized communication are on the brink of revolution. The implications for dubbing, gaming, and virtual assistants are profound, reshaping how we interact with digital worlds. When this becomes publicly available, think of the use cases. No more switching to a system like 11 Labs for simple voiceovers. Task bots will now be able to deliver messages in your AI-cloned voice and so much more. Want to check out the article we just showed for yourself? It's linked in the description for you. Oh, and speaking of interaction, let's talk shop. Quite literally. It's a marketplace where ingenuity meets utility. Developers will soon craft and offer applications that harness the linguistic power of GPT models. This isn't just a store, it's a showcase of possibilities, a hub where content creation and customer service are reimagined through AI. If you've been part of this channel since the beginning, you know I use PromptPal GPT for all my image prompting, and I make it available for free for all of you to use as well. The link for it is in the description of this video, and I'll add a link to the video about PromptPal right up at the corner of your screen here. And amidst these groundbreaking updates, we catch whispers of Sora. Although details are veiled in secrecy, Sora is expected to be the next titan in OpenAI's arsenal. A project that could redefine the essence of AI as we know it. Picture the possibilities of text-to-video and voice from the same company that changed the world forever with ChatGPT. I can't wait for this one personally, as I use Runway, Pika, and other text-to-video platforms currently, and while each has its own pros and cons, I have a feeling OpenAI will knock text-to-video out of the ballpark. But before we part ways today, let's illuminate one more marvel on the AI horizon, Stargate. This isn't just another project, it's a colossal leap. A $1 billion, yes, with a B, billion-dollar collaboration with Microsoft to forge data centers of unprecedented scale. What does this mean for us, the creators and innovators on the AI frontier? Well, it could be the supercomputer of all supercomputers. Imagine computing resources so vast they empower us to run AI models that are exponentially more complex, more creative, and, well, more alive. The Stargate collab is set to be the powerhouse that could supercharge AI creativity, turning the most intricate dreams of artists, developers, and visionaries into reality. As we stand here on the precipice of these developments, we invite you to join us in watching the horizon. Stay with us at the Real AI Agents, where we'll continue to bring the future of AI into focus and turn the whispers of today into the breakthroughs of tomorrow. Your support is the catalyst for our growth and the key to unlocking a future brimming with innovative AI content. Hit that like button to show your appreciation if this video helped you. Drop a comment with your thoughts or even what you'd like to see next. And if you know someone who shares our passion for the cutting edge of AI, why not share this or one of our other videos with them? Remember, every like, comment, and share not only supports our channel, but also fuels our journey into the vast universe of AI. Thanks for spending some time with me today to see the editing tool in action and catch up on the latest OpenAI news.
I'm Jessica with the Real AI Agents, and as always, keep looking towards the future.